Automation Direct NITRA PAL is a highly versatile and scalable system. This IP65 modular system can include high flow rate solenoid valves, field I/O, or a combination of both. The system integrates so easily via Ethernet IP, or if you just need a high flow, compact valve bank, these can be hardwired. The system can grow to meet any system demands with a variety of solenoid valves, digital I/O, analog I/O, or even temperature inputs. These can easily be installed in separate bases to distribute your I/O and valves where needed. You don't even need to worry about configuring any communications to the expansion bases, just plug them in. These are even flexible for voltage and can be used with 12-volt or 24-volt systems. And all but two of the modules are rated for IP65. In many cases, you don't even need an enclosure. The valves have a high operating range from vacuum to 145 psi. Considering their small size, you'll be surprised with the high flow rates available, and you can even connect multiple valves together for even higher flow. Having trouble matching your tubing size to the valves? Simply swap out the ports without affecting the valves. The PAL system from NITRA Pneumatics can be configured big or small, I/O or pneumatics, to meet any system demands. Proving Automation Direct is your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Please see this playlist for other content for the NITRA PAL system, including PLC integration videos. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.